Hi, welcome to this session presented by Amazon Business Seller Integration Teams. We'll start learning about how to start selling on Amazon Business. In order to build any applications as a private developer, you need to be registered as a seller on Amazon Business. Let's take a quick look at the agenda. We'll try to cover why should you sell on Amazon Business, what are the steps involved to start selling, and then we'll do a video walkthrough of all the steps that are involved in registering to be a seller. Let's start with the first one. Why sell on Amazon? So whether you're a small business, a distributor, or a large organization, there is a way to reach business customers on Amazon. Like you typically use Amazon.com for residential customers or customers who are not from business buyers. Amazon Business is a portal that you can use for business customers with a specialized suite of tools that enable your B2B e-commerce. You'll find new ways to engage incremental customers through trusted Amazon experience. If you're an existing professional seller, you can also reach businesses through Amazon Business. So now let's take a look at the steps that are involved for you to start selling. The first step is if you're not selling right on Amazon, you need to register to sell on Amazon. If you're already an existing seller, you can skip step one and move to step two, which is you can just create a business profile, set up your products you want to list, and then you can start selling. And now you're open to serve business customers. Let's now look at the demo where we'll try to walk through those steps. Okay, so this is Seller Central, where you can see you can go to manage under your services. And when you look at enroll in Amazon Business, you have an option to click here to enroll. Once you click on that, you get a screen where it shows you enroll now for free. So yes, the enrollment into Amazon Business is free if you're a professional seller. And then once you do that, you start to see all the tabs in a new central called as B2B Central. The way you can navigate to this is go to Amazon Central, look at the hamburger menu, click on B2B, and click on B2B Central. And now to validate that, if you go back into your account information and manage your services, you see that you're showing Amazon Business as registered. And that's it. Once you start adding products as you're used to adding them within your Seller Central, those products will start to be live and visible to business customers. Hope this demo was helpful to you. I hope you got to learn this. And in case of any questions, you can always reach out to the seller integration teams. You can reach out to us at integrationservices@amazon.com. Thank you so much.